Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball. I'm getting ready to review science with us this week. We are going to be just reviewing the assessment that is in your packet. No, you do not have to turn this one in. It's just getting us prepared for test taking and test taking skills. So we're going to do the first page of the second assessment, and we are going to go over questions 1 through 5. All right, so this is what the second assessment looks like. It has our standard on it at the top. Move it down so we can see it. All right, we're going to provide evidence that vibrations of matter can create sound and can make matter vibrate. And what we'll do next week, I will walk you through some activities you can do at home or wherever you are to help you show that evidence. All right, so number 1, how is sound made? Is it something vibrates or is it something spins? Remember, sound is what you hear. In order to do something, force has to hit it, and that force is going to make it do something very quickly. So remember that word that means to move forth very quickly. Number 2, which is a type of emergency? So we need to know what sounds are emergency sounds. So is it an emergency sound if you hear the microwave beeping, or it's an emergency sound, the fire engine? So what sound are your ears trained to hear if there's an emergency? Number 3, if loud music is played in a room, the windows will. So if you've ever been in a room where the music has been really loud, if you walk over to a window, you're gonna notice that the window is gonna do something. Or if you've ever been in a car, if you've been in a car and you're having fun and you turn the volume up really high or really loud, you're going to notice that those windows are doing something. So are they gonna melt because it's so loud, or are the windows going to shake? All right, sound moves blank. Does sound move only in water or when matter vibrates? Now, if you think back, sound has to move and travel through two things. So, is it only water, or does sound move when something vibrates? And number 5, a very loud sound would make the water in a small glass blank. So, you can get a small glass of water and you can make a sound. So you can make a sound vocally. You can make a sound with a utensil like a spoon or fork or a knife, or you can make a sound with a coin. You can make a sound. And what's going to happen to that small glass of water? Is that water in the glass, is it going to vibrate, or is it going to change colors? Okay, so I want you to circle the one answer that's going to happen. So we've gone over questions 1 through 5 of page 1 of our second test. Again, this is not something that you're going to turn in. I want you to practice those test taking skills and eliminating answer choices and just really thinking through those choices that are before you. So think about everything that we have learned about sound and think about what's going to happen when we hear sounds. All right. So I will see you next time, and we're going to go over questions 6 through 10 on the back.